This system consists of a series of process control rigs, all controlled by an Emerson Delta V controller. We will look at each module in turn. The temperature control rig with 5-port temperature transmitter. The forced air cooler to provide a thermal load. A level and flow process element. A pressure process element. And the Emerson Delta V controller with interface unit. The Delta V software is provided with mimic diagrams to show the status of each rig. They also allow the monitoring and adjustment of system parameters. The operator can scroll through the mimic screens to get an overview of the system status. The Delta V controller from Emerson Process Management is a real industrial solution used in process industries such as petrochemical, water treatment and paper making. Here we see the operator reducing the required level in a tank. We see a servo valve close. The flow rate drops and the level in the tank falls. In this example, the operator is reducing the temperature requirement. In response, the valve opens and the forced air cooler fan increases in speed. On the mimic diagram, we can see these changes happening and observe the resultant changes in temperature. Now suppose we have a large process plant. Should a pump fail in one part of our plant, we may need a valve in another sector to close in order to prevent fugitive emissions into the environment. Here our operator is simulating a pump failure. Immediately the flow drops to zero and the tank starts to empty. The alarm sounds to signify a fault condition. And the valve on the pressure system closes to prevent disaster. Alarms can then be acknowledged and cancelled by the operator.